to the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head, it seems. They lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you.
Next kay Clarence.
Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind.
Mama Mary.
Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 oh. Coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are home. Ikaw lang mahal.
Look at the context of the verse. It says, submit to your husband and submit to one another out of reverence for Jesus. This is not just a blind submission. You are a strong ally, as strong, as powerful as Johnny Depp.
Hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking musika.
Tinanong mo ako bakit ikaw yung napili ko and gusto ko siyang sagutin ngayon. Pili kita kasi yung good heart mo and yung efforts mo before na until now, ibinibigay mo sa akin. And as we enter the journey of marriage, I promise to choose you every day kahit na sa mga araw na mahirap.
Di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha.
Ito yung message.
Puso ang itsura ng naging pagsinta.
My love, naisip ko kung itong i-gift ko sa'yo kasi minsan mas gusto mo pa manood ng One Piece kaysa ang i-date ako. Hope you like it.
Muli kong maranasan ang umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala.
Dito na gusto ko to. Matagal ko na din talagang gusto to. And I can't wait to see you and marry you as well. Love you!
Kung utak ay hindi na kayang gumawa ng melodiya para pisngi mo'y pumula.
Wala pa siya, bukas pa siya darating at gusto kong dalawa tayo ma-excite sa pagdating niya sa buhay natin. Let's welcome the new member of ano to? Hindi ko mabasa!
Nice. Thank you for coming into my life. Simula nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, lahat ng bagay nag-fall into places.
At aking iuulat sa iyong umabot ng walang hangganang storya nating dalawa. Ikaw lang mahal. Laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala.
As you exchange your love vows, it is my honor to say, by the power vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines and the authority as a minister of the gospel through Victory Christian Fellowship, I now pronounce you man and wife.
Ikaw lang